Have you ever thought about earning money without having to chase after a job? Have you ever wondered if there's another way, a road less traveled to achieve true prosperity? Today, we're going to reveal an ancient secret hidden in the Bible, a secret that King Solomon knew well. Get ready to discover how biblical wisdom can teach you to earn money without being a slave to traditional work. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the Mental Do channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos on personal and spiritual growth. Now, let's get started. Many people believe that success means finding a job, earning a steady income, and working hard for decades. But here's the truth: King Solomon, the wisest and richest man in biblical history, teaches something entirely different. He didn't pursue a traditional job. Solomon understood that the key to wealth isn't about finding a job, it's about seeking wisdom. In the Bible, Solomon's words reveal a powerful concept with me: our riches and honor, enduring wealth and righteousness. These words show that true prosperity, the kind that lasts over time, comes from wisdom and intelligence in managing resources. Financial success isn't limited to a salary or dependent on having a steady job. Your real wealth lies in your ability to apply wisdom to your daily decisions. Solomon's teachings challenge the conventional mindset about financial success. In this verse, he's not just talking about material wealth, but about a type of prosperity that goes beyond simply having money or possessions. He speaks of wealth that endures, wealth that is not temporary or affected by external circumstances. This lasting wealth is the result of wisdom and justice. But what does this really mean? It means that money alone doesn't guarantee stability or happiness. You could earn a lot, but if you don't know how to manage it wisely, you risk losing it just as quickly. Solomon teaches that true prosperity isn't tied to the amount of money you have, but to your ability to make wise decisions with your resources. So what's the difference between temporary and lasting wealth? Temporary wealth comes and goes quickly. It might come from luck, an inheritance, or a sudden windfall, but it has no solid foundation. No matter how much you earn, without a wise mindset and a plan to manage that money, it won't last. Lasting wealth, on the other hand, is built over time. It's rooted in smart decisions and the ability to plan for the future, looking beyond the present. Solomon shows that those who pursue wisdom not only earn but also sustain and grow their wealth. This type of wealth is not vulnerable to economic downturns, crises, or career changes because it's supported by intelligent resource management and long-term vision. Solomon's words don't just speak of material wealth, they also connect wealth to honor. In this context, honor refers to the respect and esteem earned through righteous actions and wise decisions. It's not just about having money, but about being recognized as a trustworthy, wise, and respectable person. Solomon teaches that true success isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about using that wealth to live a righteous, respected, and meaningful life. The honor that comes with wealth is a sign that your decisions are not selfish or short-term, but are designed to build something lasting that positively impacts your life and the lives of others. Justice is another key element in Solomon's words. Lasting wealth, according to Solomon, cannot exist without justice. True prosperity cannot be built on unjust or unfair actions. When you act with justice, you create a solid foundation for success. Your decisions are ethically sound, benefiting not just yourself but also those around you. In conclusion, King Solomon's wisdom teaches that true wealth isn't just about money, it's about making wise, just decisions that lead to lasting prosperity. By applying these principles, you can build wealth that endures, brings honor, and positively impacts your life and the lives of others. Solomon teaches that justice is at the heart of wisdom. Those who act with justice build solid relationships, trust, and respect, key elements for long-term success, including financial success. In a world where people often seek quick gains, justice becomes the principle that allows you to build something solid and lasting. Many people believe that financial stability comes from having a steady job and a fixed salary, but Solomon challenges this common idea. He shows that true financial success goes beyond earning a paycheck. Relying solely on a steady income leaves you exposed to external risks like layoffs, economic crises, or market changes. True wealth, on the other hand, comes from developing a wise mentality, making thoughtful choices, and learning how to multiply the resources available to you. This means embracing opportunities that go beyond traditional work, creating multiple streams of income, investing for the long term, and making money work for you. not the other way around. Solomon teaches that each day is an opportunity to practice wisdom. It's not about big, dramatic actions, but rather small, daily choices. Every decision, every investment, and every opportunity should be filtered through the lens of wisdom. When you apply wisdom to your choices, you stop chasing short-term gains and begin building a long-term vision that allows you to prosper over time. You learn to manage money not just as a means of survival, but as a tool to create freedom and opportunity. This mindset sets you apart from the masses who don't think or act this way. It encourages you to invest in material resources and, more importantly, in yourself, your education, your skills, and your relationships. Unlock wealth in 90 days with the wisdom of a 7,000-year-old wizard. The Wealth Wizard's Secrets to be rich. Achieving wealth in 90 days helps you overcome limiting beliefs, reprogram your mind, and set clear goals. This transformative guide, packed with motivational stories and practical exercises, is your path to prosperity. Get it now for the promotional price, available only today. Click on the pinned comment link and start your journey to wealth now. Solomon's wisdom isn't just about money. It's about making smart decisions in every aspect of life. This is the secret to true wealth, understanding that every choice, big or small, has the power to build a prosperous and meaningful future. Now, imagine a future where you're not tied to a steady paycheck. What if your income didn't depend on a single job, but on the wise decisions and opportunities you created for yourself? That's the kind of future King Solomon encourages. It's not your job that grants you financial freedom, it's your ability to create and grow your own resources. Think about it. Working hard for someone else means relying on a salary that someone else decides. But what if you were the one determining your own income? The Bible teaches that those who seek wisdom acquire not only wealth but also honor and righteousness. This means true wealth isn't just about having money, it's about managing your finances, investments, and opportunities with wisdom. So how can we put Solomon's wisdom into practice? Here are 4 practical steps to apply his teachings in your everyday life. 1. Seek wisdom daily. Make it a habit to learn, grow, and seek knowledge. Invest in your personal development and education. 2. Make smart financial decisions. Don't rely on a single source of income. Look for ways to diversify and invest in opportunities that offer long-term growth. 3. Plan for the future. Think beyond today. Develop a long-term vision and make choices that will support your financial stability and personal well-being over time. 4. Act with justice. Ensure your actions are fair and ethical. Build relationships based on trust and respect, as these will be the foundation for long-term success. By following these steps, you can start living the principles of Solomon's wisdom and create a life of lasting wealth and meaning. Step 1. Seek to learn and invest in yourself. Wealth creation begins with knowledge. It's not just about money, but also about investing your time and energy to acquire wisdom. The more you learn about how money works and how to make it work for you, the better equipped you will be to create and grow wealth. Solomon constantly sought wisdom because he knew that all other blessings, including financial ones, stem from it. Step 2. Be diligent. Diligence is a cornerstone of Solomon's teachings. However, being diligent doesn't just mean working hard, it means working smart. It's not about how many hours you put in, but how effectively you use your time to create value. Those who are diligent in pursuing wisdom will eventually reap the rewards of their efforts. Step 3. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Solomon understood the importance of diversification long before modern financial systems. By creating multiple streams of income, you reduce your vulnerability to economic shifts and market changes. The more you diversify, the more resilient your financial position becomes. Step 4. Grow your assets. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about making it grow. Investing in long-term projects and using wisdom to multiply your resources is key. Solomon was a master at investing and creating wealth that lasted. He teaches that real wealth is not measured by money alone, but by the freedom it grants, the freedom to live by your values, make choices, and positively impact the world. When you follow wisdom, money becomes a tool for greater goals, not an end in itself. This mindset enables you to live a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Imagine being able to pursue your passions, help others, and invest in causes you believe in all without being dependent on a paycheck. Many biblical figures, like Abraham, Job, and Solomon himself, were wealthy not because they had steady jobs, but because they used their wisdom to create wealth and blessings for themselves and others. Every decision you make has the power to shape a prosperous future. Conclusion. Every day presents an opportunity, a chance to make decisions that can transform your financial life. King Solomon teaches that even the smallest choices, when made wisely, can lead to significant results over time. You don't need to make drastic, immediate changes. Start small, applying wisdom to every decision. Wisdom isn't just about money, it influences all areas of life: how you manage relationships, seize opportunities, and overcome challenges. When you consistently apply wisdom, the results will follow. The greatest lesson we can learn from King Solomon is this: you don't need to chase a job to be successful. Seek wisdom, and wealth will naturally follow. Wisdom shapes not only how we earn money, but also how we live with purpose. It guides us to make thoughtful decisions in our relationships, encouraging us to surround ourselves with people who support our growth. It helps us recognize opportunities that align with our values and pushes us to act with courage and clarity. When we embrace wisdom, we develop a vision for our lives that transcends immediate gains, allowing us to build a future that reflects our highest potential. Moreover, wisdom teaches us resilience in the face of challenges. It empowers us to turn obstacles into learning experiences, so even when things don't go as planned, we can still move forward with confidence. By consistently applying wisdom, you create a life not only of financial abundance but also of inner fulfillment, where success is defined by your ability to navigate life with integrity, purpose, and peace of mind. True prosperity doesn't come from being tied to a steady job, but from knowing how to manage and grow your resources with intelligence and vision. Don't wait for others to control your financial destiny. Take charge of your life. Follow Solomon's advice and start building true financial freedom today. Make money work for you instead of the other way around. Real financial freedom comes when you shift your mindset from simply earning a paycheck to actively creating and multiplying your wealth. This requires not just intelligence but also a clear vision for the future. By thinking strategically about where and how to invest your time, energy, and resources, you can break free from the limitations of traditional work. It's about positioning yourself as the driver of your financial life, taking bold steps to cultivate opportunities that align with your goals and values. Remember, wealth is not something you chase, it's something you build intentionally. So are you ready to change the way you think about money and success? If you truly want to transform your financial life and achieve success, start here. Let wisdom be your guide, and you'll discover that success, freedom, and prosperity aren't tied to a job, but to the choices you make. Now is the time to act. Don't look for a job, look for wisdom, and true wealth will follow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this content inspired you, please give us your valuable like and subscribe for more content like this. Your support is essential to us. And don't forget to comment, "I'm open to abundance and receive good news before the day ends." I love you, my apprentice. See you in the next video.